Hey guys, I'm back with a quick video. This is gonna be kind of like a memory planning spread. I'm probably not gonna write anything in it. I'm just gonna get all my stickers laid down. But this is the Cat Love Kit from SoCutePlanner. And it doesn't look like she's selling kits right now. I mean, she is selling a couple of monthly kits, but for the most part, it doesn't look like she's selling these anymore. So I wouldn't be able to link them down below, but I will link her shop down below. So guys, let's get started. All right guys, so right now I'm just putting down my bottom washi. Absolutely love this washi with those paws on it. It's so pretty. That was me admiring it after I put it down. Now I'm putting on the second half. Now I'm just going to grab all of my date covers, grab them one by one, stick them on my hand like I always do. Once I have them all off, I'm going to place them down. And I always try to decide if I'm going to put Thursday through Sunday on one side and then Monday through Wednesday on one side, but I always just put Monday through Wednesday at the top and then Thursday through Sunday at the bottom. See, that's me thinking like how I'm going to place them, and I decide rather quickly. So here's Friday and then Thursday. I like these date covers too. I kind of wish that it was paws like on the bottom washi, but it's hearts, which makes sense because the spread is called Cat Love. So and then I think I'm going to pull the date dots. And I'm also going to pull all of those at one time and then place them once I have them all in my hand. I just like to do it that way. Normally, if I'm like talking throughout the video, I don't want you all to have to hear all that paper crinkling. And so I try to pull it all at one time. We didn't really have an eventful week. I did start my walking again this week, so I walked every day. Well, I didn't walk Friday, but Monday through Thursday I walked, and my walk app seems to have a goal. I don't remember setting that goal, but I don't have a problem with it. It's a goal to walk 10 miles per week, and I had 10 miles in like 4 days or 3 days. Well, no, hold on. It was like 2.5 a week. 2.5 a day. So yeah, 4 days would have made it 10. But I really do think I hit it probably on the third day, because I think I walked 3 miles maybe. No, Thursday I walked 3 miles. Okay, so I got the 10 miles within 4 days. And then I rested on Friday and Saturday, and then Sunday I went walking in the evening time. It was a little hotter then. I like going in the morning because it's only like 70, 80 degrees, but so here, I don't know if y'all saw right there, but I skipped a page. So now I have this week on the wrong page, and I'm going to have to put next week on the page in front of it because I'm not going to keep going with that week skipped like that. So the 20th, well, actually this week, I'm going to have to put this week on. I'm going to have to put this week in front of last week, but that's okay. Nobody's really going to see this planner but me anyway, so. But I know why I did it, because I thought I was going to write something down on this page for this week. Something that I wanted to remember, but I decided not to do that because this paper seems to be really thin. And then it will leave ghosting on the week after that. And so I just forgot to turn back weeks. But that's neither here nor there. Now I'm putting down my full boxes. I'm going to move that cat box, put it on Tuesday, because just the way that I wanted them to be spaced out. I didn't want any of them to be right under or over each other, and I didn't want any of them to be right next to each other. So I had to make that change. I'm really sad that this is not all the way in screen. I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I kept pushing that up, but I did. Friday was my husband's payday. I'm going to put that there in the middle. And then I'm going to get me some washi, some rose gold. No, I think this is regular gold. The regular gold washi. And of course, it has to be perfect. So I have to put that right in between the date cover and the washi. So that's why I moved that. We're all done. And I have my little sidebar over there. And just at the top, since there's not like not a date cover, but there's not a cover for the first box. Like maybe even if it just said, if it was a big one that said this week, something like that, that I put up there, but I just put important reminders, kind of made it my own, date cover. And then I made my, what I would consider a sidebar. So I have a habit tracker, I have a pattern half box, which has the little white box inside of it, and then I have your heart checklist. Just thinking what I'm gonna do next. I think I'm gonna pull all of the I'm gonna pull the weekend banner. Decide exactly where I'm gonna put that. Turn it upside down so I can measure it right before placing it, so I don't stick it and try to pull it up. Yep, and then we got that down. And I think I'm going to pull out those half boxes. Or no. Yeah, I'm going to pull out the half boxes. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm going to get the half boxes. And what I did with those, of course, I put them on all of the boxes that don't have a full box on it. And I'm going to place those towards the bottom. And I'm kind of putting them above the last box, like a box and a half above the bottom, because I know that's going to be about how much room I need for my bow washi. Just laying the last one down, and then I'm going to get that bow washi. I'm trying to put it in frame so y'all can see everything, but I don't think it really worked. Well, for the most part it did, because I think you're going to be able to see what I'm doing here. Yeah. And most of the time I normally just turn the book and move the book so that you can see what I'm doing. But I just realized, and you'll see at the end what I mean, I realized that I didn't have my phone, I didn't have it up high enough. Alright guys, I'm so sorry that video was mostly out of frame. I didn't realize that. I hope you were able to see the gist of my planning. This is what I have left from the kit. And I won't be using any of these. This is like for my weekly planning. And this is actually a memory keeping. I'm just going to write down some major points that happened throughout this week. This is what I have left. And I'll probably use some of these, for our date night and our family time and our movie night and things like that. I'll probably put that in once I fill out the spread. But other than that, you guys, that's all I have for you. I really do appreciate you for taking time to watch. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you're notified each time I post a video. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye.